In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up paper trading on TradingView. This is a perfect tool for anyone looking to practice and hone their trading skills without any financial risk. Whether you're just starting out or you want to test new strategies in a risk-free environment, paper trading can be an invaluable resource. So let's dive right in and get you set up. First things first, you'll want to log in to your TradingView account. If you're not already familiar with TradingView, it's a versatile platform that provides real-time market analysis and is a favorite among traders for its robust charting tools and community features. If you have an account, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Just head over to the TradingView website, click on the login button usually located at the top right of the page, and input your username and password. If you're new to TradingView, setting up an account is straightforward, so you might want to do that first. Once you're logged in, locate the chart window. If you've been using TradingView, this should be a familiar sight. Now in the bottom part of this chart window, you'll find a tab labeled Trading Panel. Go ahead and click on that. This panel is an essential feature for executing trades, whether they're real or simulated, like in our case with paper trading. It's designed to integrate smoothly with TradingView's charting capabilities, giving you a comprehensive view of your transactions alongside your technical analysis. Next, we're going to select the paper trading option. In the trading panel, look for the option labeled Paper Trading by TradingView. It's an excellent feature that allows you to practice trading by simulating transactions using virtual currency. Click on that and then hit the Connect button. What happens here is that TradingView sets you up in a simulated trading environment. This setup comes with a default virtual balance, typically a substantial amount, to give you the freedom to test and explore your trading strategies without any real-world financial risk. The paper trading environment mirrors real market conditions as closely as possible, which helps you get a feel for the actual trading experience. By following these steps, you've now unlocked a powerful tool within TradingView to practice trading responsibly. Remember, while paper trading is an excellent way to practice, it's important to acknowledge the psychological differences when real money is on the line. Use this setup to build strategies, learn from mistakes, and gain confidence before moving to real trading scenarios. That's it for today's tutorial on setting up paper trading in TradingView. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful, equipping you with all the information you need to get started. Happy paper trading, and remember to subscribe to catch more tutorials and tips.